Alright, it's Monday, August 5th. So I'm praying for all the people getting hit by a hurricane down in Central Florida. It's only a Category 1, so they're probably having fun down there. But HVAC is going to be booming after the storm. I know that. A lot of calls you always get after a storm. But today, we're not getting any storm, and we're going to do some maintenances. Maintenance tech called out. So I got a 3 system and 1 mini split maintenance, and I have a 1 system maintenance. I won't bore you with the maintenance. I might just do some B-roll, but maybe we'll get something good out after that so I can film. But I hope you guys enjoy your day, and we'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a good day. This one blower's a little dirty, and we include pull and clean on our blowers. So I'm gonna clean this up, lube it up, put it back in there. But the homeowner wants an estimate too for system replacement on that one. I think we gave her one a few months ago, but we're gonna do it again, make her happy. If that's what she wants to do, our thing's running right now. I'm gonna test it and make sure it's running good. Testing capacitor. I hate dealing with this on maintenance, but they're running, so we're gonna leave it like it is. These are both 10 years old, and then we got a nice Infinity unit. All right, off to the next maintenance. This is a water source unit in the condo building. So easy peasy. I just take cold cleaner, drain cleaner, and I'll flush the water lines. And we'll check everything, capacitor, connections, all the usual stuff. Just a little easier than a main system.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
We are headed that way. Back flushing the system. This water is like black, so I'm going to go through a few of these. Just 3 of these, and it's already looking cleaner.